So this is my first flight here with my own AS33 Me. At the beginning it was quite hard to find a good thermal. We had here, I think, a lot of wind in here, and it was the difference between the Alps and the flatlands, and I just started here in between, and it was not easy. So yeah, I struggled slightly at the beginning to find a nice thermal, but then I made a nice tour to the Alps, turned around a little bit before the mountains because there were some rain showers and it was quite developed there. Now I'm here in the flatlands and it is really amazing. Also here, the bug wipers, I have tested them once. They are working really nice. And then these winglets, I love this design. Seeing it all the time when flying, it's really amazing. Also the avionics works, all the stuff here works really good. This morning I set up the Laros barometer properly, and then here we have our new canopy flasher with the indicator there, with the flash indicator. It's the first time that I see it during flight as well. It works really good. Also I like the stealth look here. You can't really see the Stiefly logo, so there's no reflection in the canopy anymore. Of course here the carbon fiber panel, all the avionics stuff here and so on. Yeah, it is really fantastic. Also here the pockets of the interior from Albstadt. The only thing is I need to see if I can adjust the backrest a little bit different. Perhaps the angle, it's not perfect at the moment, or I need a smaller, thinner cushion at my parachute, at my Paratech parachute. So yeah, these small bits and pieces. And then there is some noise coming out of this window here. I've heard Peter Kremer, he tried a lot to eliminate this, and he even replaced here the window. But at the end, I think it is still not perfect, and there's some sound coming out of it. I'm not sure if it is this edge here or if it's this edge. I will try to tape this one down here next time, and then I see what's going on. But other than this, it's really fantastic. So the only thing for now, it's the noise, and of course I need to fly more with it. I have now 1 month left until we will ship it to the United States, to the World Gliding Championships in Texas. So this is really not so much time anymore, but I'm so glad that I'm now able to fly the new glider. Thanks a lot to the Alexander-Schleicher team. There's so much labor, handwork necessary to produce such a glider. So thank you all so much. You did a fantastic job. I really like also the paint scheme, the paint job, everything. It's really fantastic, and it's yeah, something I still can't believe that that's my new glider, and yeah, it's fantastic. Today I also needed to enjoy and yeah, test the glider on my own, so that's why we don't have too much of footage for this flight, but I'm sure you will see a lot more with this glider in the next videos. Also let me know in the comments below what you want to see, what I should test, what I should do for the next videos. If you have nice ideas, comment below.